MacVoices is sponsored by Smile, the makers of world-class software like PDF Pen. Find out about all their great utilities at smilesoftware.com. MacVoices is in Las Vegas for CES. I'm Chuck Joyner. Folks, we're in the Mevo booth talking to Alex about FlightScope, a multi-sport radar installation. Alex, it's good to see you.
Nice to see you, sir.
So tell me about this. This is kind of interesting, especially given that it's multi-sport.
Yeah, so it's multi-sport. It's a 3D Doppler radar that we've derived from some of our defense industry products as well as our high-end golf products. And so what we do is we use Doppler radar and your mobile device. The mobile device will capture a video, a live-action video clip. The Mevo will trigger and give you the data of the ball, the baseball or the golf ball, and then all that gets fused together into the video. So you'll have video with data overlaid on it, and then you can analyze your swing.
You make it sound so simple.
It's that simple.
It may be that simple. Executing the golf shot or the baseball swing may not be.
That's correct, but this will help you build more confidence.
So this is the unit. Yeah, we have one right here. So I put this on the ground. If for golf, I put it on the ground.
Yeah, you put it on the ground 4 feet behind the golfer, and then you can hit. You can use it on the driving range or on the golf course. If you're going to use it for the baseball side of it, just tripod mounted, and you'll put it at either the tee level or the pitch release point.
And I have my iPhone or my iPad close by, so it's all working together, and I see the results instantly?
Instantly. What happens is once the radar triggers, it clips the video for you, and then you get instant feedback within seconds.
Wow, that's great. That's great. What kind of pricing is there on this?
So this is $499. You can go to our website. We have a promo for the CES show. It's CES 2018. You'll get 10% off.
And the website is?
FlightScopeMevo.com.
Alex, thanks so much.
Thank you, sir.
Folks, more from CES in Las Vegas. I'm Chuck Joyner. Thanks. Visit MacVoices.com for show notes and to connect with Chuck on social media. Get involved in our MacVoices Facebook group and get more out of your Apple tech with MacVoices magazine, free on Flipboard. And if you find value in it all, consider supporting us at patreon.com/MacVoices and join these folks who help keep MacVoices coming to you. Advertising handled by Backbeat Media at backbeatmedia.com. Bandwidth provided by CashFly at cashfly.com. Thanks for watching.